My name is Chloie Su Viloria.
My name is Juana Labasan.
My name is Freya Ysabelle Calicdan.
And my name is Joy Navidad.
And we are proudly from Grade 8 Agility. Today, we will do a science experiment called SCITOK!
Our science experiment for today is called Labasan.
The materials we use in making these experiments are baking soda, food coloring, cooking oil, vinegar, water, and the most importantly, the glass or any kind of clear cups.
So for the first step is we're going to put 1 tablespoon of baking soda to the glass. For the second step is we're going to put the cooking oil into the glass together with the baking soda. For the third step is we're going to put the food dye into the vinegar. After we put the food coloring in the vinegar, it's time to put the vinegar into the formula. And that's it. There's your lava lamp. This happens because of the endothermic chemical reaction, which results production of carbon dioxide, and also dramatically lowers the temperature of the glass. The lava lamp effect is created with tiny globs of water and adhere with the carbon dioxide bubbles. As it arises to the surface of the liquid, bubbles approach to the surface of glass. They burst and the colored water begins to return to its original position, closer to the base, closer to the vessel. And that's all.
We hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching
And thank you for listening.
And that's all. Goodbye.
Bye!
One, two, three, go.
Hello and good Hello and good day, everyone.
2, 3, go.
Hello and good day, everyone. Hello and good day, everyone. Nahuli si Freya.
Wait lang, guys.
15 minutes later.
Hey everyone, my name is Chloie Su Viloria.
My name is Juana Labasan.
My name is Freya Ysabelle Calicdan.
And my name is Joy Navidad.
And we are proudly from Grade 8
Wala isang basahan, guys.
2,000 years later.
Hello and good day, everyone. My name is Chloie Su Viloria.
My name is Juana Labasan.
My name is Freya Ysabelle Calicdan.
And my name is Joy Navidad.
And we are proudly from Grade 8 And we are proudly from Grade 8 Agility.
Our science experiment.
The materials we use in making these experiments are baking soda. The materials we use in making these experiments are baking soda, food coloring, cooking oil. The materials we use in making these experiments are baking soda, food coloring, cooking oil,